Hello and welcome to Interactive Learning Communication Skill Program. This course is designed from Hindi to English language. Do you know why communication skill is important? That's a wrong question, my friend. Do you know why creative and effective communication skill is important nowadays? See, creative communication means communication effectively with storytelling skills. So today communication skill is not just about exchanging words, it's about crafting narratives that captivate, influence and inspire. And that's precisely what this course is designed to help you achieve. What you will learn in this course from what is communication skills to what is creative communication skills, from what is creative communication skill to how to communicate effectively, and from communication skills to storytelling skills. You will learn from basics to intermediate level. All your basics would be clear in this course. You will get a clear idea that from learning of this course, what would be your next step? How can you practice effectively? See, whether you are a technical person, you are in sales or marketing, there are most of the tasks, there are most of the skills that is not required nowadays because most of your tasks can be done by AI tools like ChatGPT. Right now, AI, artificial intelligence, is in its childhood. Even a ChatGPT can write a better email than you. A ChatGPT can write a better code than you. See, you are representative of your task now. You are representative of your job. You are representative of your business now. Can you effectively communicate? Can you effectively deliver your message to your client, to your respective stakeholders? So imagine this. You are in a meeting presenting your groundbreaking idea. What if you could captivate your audience not just with facts, but with a compelling story that points the vision vividly? That's the power of storytelling, and that's what we are here to master. My name is Nishant Shukla. I have been working in corporate sector for around 14 years now. Along with that, I have been teaching English speaking, communication skills and storytelling skills for several years. See, there might be thousands of courses available to teach you communication skills and storytelling skills. How this course is different from them? In this course, you will learn practical examples. In this course, you will learn practical ways how can you actually understand and practice the concept. That makes the difference because that will ultimately help you to grow in your career and grow your business.
At the end of this course, you will be able to talk confidently in English in your group discussions, interview, presentations, anchoring at all the places. You will surely find yourself a step ahead on communication skills and storytelling skills.
This is one of my latest courses. You can find my other course and student review. There are so many students completing different courses with positive reviews. These courses and the content and the way of explanation is really helping them to grow in their career, to grow their business and in their personal relationships and in their life. So imagine this, you are standing before a captivated audience, your words dancing in the air, painting vivid pictures in their minds. Every heart in the room beats in sync with your story, hanging on every syllable, feeling every emotion. This, my friend, is the art of communication and storytelling. So that's a communication skill is really important nowadays. And this is the right course you can start learning with. Feel free to check in the description for more details, and I look forward to see you in the course.